It has a few modifications, updated modifications, and those I'll explain. In Howard's patent, he's got 6 magnets consecutively running at closer and closer proximities to each other. The space is the widest here, then it gets a little bit more narrow, more, and there's your 6. Then there's another 6 here, and another 6 here that do the same thing. This particular piece here is, let me zoom in on that a little bit, is your key to the entire operation. It's an arched magnet. This is made of N52s. I'm going to show you how to make it. And what we have in here is just about 2 or 3 pennies that are wrapped in some masking tape and stuck down to this little card for ballast. And up here we've got about 8 or 10 here and about 8 or 10 here that are wrapped up again for ballast. Because what this is, this first area right in here is kind of a medium flux density and helps give this a little forward motion. This is a pulse gate here, and as it comes close to the gate pulls it in, sucks it right in, and then shoots it out like a slingshot. Then it goes through this next section of 6 here, which, even though it looks like it has 4 magnets, they're just cheap ceramic magnets, maybe N8s or something like that, just really weak, and they're old. This was one of the first things that we built years and years ago, was a demonstrator to prove the theory. And anyway, this is a weaker field here, and so as it slingshots out of the gate, it glides through this weak field until it hits this final 6. And because of the alignment and proximity of these magnets the way they are, you can see that this will just shoot a hack off. Anybody can do this. I want you to do it. We can do this. We can just be absolutely total. It's so unlike I'll explain that in just a second. These magnets here, they're just this size here, and then I just roll them in half. Something, just sort of snap it in half just to modify these fields. This final field here is pretty strong, and so it pops it out. But it starts at about this point, at the beginning of the 6, and then it just sort of gradually builds up and then pushes it out at the end. Whereas the gate, the pulse gate, is more of, it seems to work on a subatomic particle level, because it just, as it pulls it in and then slingshots it out, it's absolutely fascinating. I think the major difference between this and what Howard did in 1979, well, actually, he did a lot many years before 1979. It just took him that long until 1979. His patent was just not in the fact that he could move a mass from point A to point B without some other form of energy like batteries or something to power the device. This is working totally